Today I'm going to show you an example of kind of a sewing fail. I started off sewing the wear leathers on this saddle, kind of choppy. The speed was not consistent, and as I was sewing I could tell my needle was dull. You can hear by the sound, if it has a little burr on the point, you can hear it tearing the leather. And the needle I started off sewing these wear leathers on was dull. I'd been doing some saddle repair and probably nicked a nail or maybe a rivet or something, and that dulls your needle. So it's good to keep a good sharp needle. You can resharpen your needles or you can put a fresh needle in. And to sew this stiff double layer of saddle skirting, I use a 230, and the thread I'm using on this particular video is white 346 nylon, and I can tell a difference on my machine between the nylon and the polyester. The polyester thread pulls down smoothly, and I think the nylon thread makes a much tighter stitch. That's just my observation. So anyway, this little clip I'll give you is it kind of makes a mess, but what I do is stop, pull the thread back, wet the piece a little bit and tap it down and let it set till it dries. And then in the meantime I put in a new needle and kind of got my mind right that I was going to sew straight. That's one thing to take in consideration. I like to sew in my quiet time when my nerves are calm. And if you got a lot of going on and the shop's busy and you don't have your mind on that groove right there, you're just not going to sew straight. So anyway, I'm just here to help you and give you some tips. Thanks for watching.